Hey tech enthusiast, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something really interesting to share with you. This Amazon Basics Pro Series wireless gaming mouse. And trust me, what I discovered about this mouse is going to blow your mind. Let's dive right in. So first, let's see what we get inside the box. Pretty standard packaging from Amazon Basics inside. We have the user manual with a QR code for downloading the software, which is actually pretty convenient. Then we have the mouse itself, and hidden inside the battery compartment, there's a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle. One thing to note, no battery included. So you'll have to grab a AA battery. I'm using this rechargeable Duracell 750 mAh cell, which should work perfectly fine. Now here's where things get absolutely crazy. This mouse looks exactly like the Logitech G304. I mean, when I say exactly, I'm not kidding. The shape, the size, the button placement, everything is identical. The only difference I can spot is the bottom design, and maybe the dongle looks slightly different. But wait, it gets even more interesting. The specs are also identical. 12,000 DPI HERO sensor, that's Logitech's technology by the way, Lightspeed wireless connectivity, 6 programmable buttons, 250 plus hours of battery life, 1000 Hz polling rate. It's like Amazon took the G304, slapped their branding on it and sold it for a fraction of price. I mean, not literally, but seems like that. Speaking of the price, the Logitech G304 in India currently costs around 2400 rupees. That's about $29. While the Amazon Basics mouse is just 900 rupees, which is roughly $11. That's less than half the price for what appears to be the same mouse, except the bottom is completely different. Now let's talk about the actual experience. The mouse feels solid in hand, maybe not as premium as the Logitech, but definitely not cheap either. The clicks are satisfying, and I'll play the actual click sound so you can judge yourself. Now let's talk about the software. It's surprisingly clean and intuitive. You can easily remap all 6 buttons, adjust DPI settings, and even set up the macros. It's not as feature rich as Logitech software, but it gets the job done. Now let's see how it performs in actual gaming. I tested it with some games such as the Overwatch, and honestly the tracking is smooth. It's very responsive. The 12,000 DPI might be overkill for most users, but having those multiple DPI levels accessible with the dedicated button is really handy. The wireless connection feels stable, no noticeable lag as such, no dropout during my test sessions. So here's my take. If you're looking for budget wireless gaming mouse and don't mind the whole clone situation, this Amazon Basics mouse is actually a solid choice. You are getting 90% of the G304 experience for less than half the price. Is it as refined as original Logitech? Probably not, but for casual gamers or anyone on the tight budget, this could be a game changer. Now, if you want to see me tear this mouse down to see what's all inside, smash that like button, and if we hit 500 likes, I'll do a complete teardown video, and hey, maybe I'll grab the actual G304 for a side-by-side comparison too. So don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and DIY projects. Also, what do you think about these clone products? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.